Everyone, welcome to week 2 in Ed 215. This week we are going to look at the biological beginnings, and this includes genes, DNA, genotypes, phenotypes, nature, and nurture. I will give a disclaimer, this is not in a science level coverage. This is much background for understanding human growth and development. So all of our resources come from chapter 2. And I'm going to go ahead and overview what we've got going on. So week 2 video, I am recording now. It will be right here. The PowerPoints are provided from the text, and you have a study guide that will be useful in preparing for the assessment. And then here we have some video resources for week 2. As you can see, I've got sex linked, I've got light drinking and fetal alcohol syndrome, as well as lecture PowerPoints. So a lot of different resources there. And then we also have some assignments. So your choice activity here is basically designed to assess what our dominant and recessive genes are for the class. So you will think about your own genetic inheritance and your phenotype and your genotype. And I want you to go ahead and click all of the ones that you have here and then save my choice. What this is going to do is create a class graph so we can see what our dominant and recessive genes are for the class. You will also be doing a writing assignment, which is about nature and nurture. And I want you to think of a developmental concept that could be anything within lifespan development that is impacted by nature and nurture. And I want you to describe what a potential impact of nature is, as well as one of nurture. You are then going to give an opinion statement as to which is most influential in your example and explain that. Here is your rubric that spells out what I'm looking for. Choose a topic, use class material, provide depth and commentary, examples. Make sure that you check spelling, punctuation, cite your sources, and structure as a whole. Finally, you will be doing a checkpoint. This checkpoint is for your major assignment, which is the lifespan stage project. And what you will be doing here is answering a few questions. Basically, I'm looking for your potential ideas for a possible topic. My high recommendation is to have this be very specific, quantifying the age, stage, and concept that you are interested in. Doing so will allow you to create a PowerPoint eventually and cover this topic in a lot of depth. So if you have any questions regarding this week, please feel free to reach out and let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much. Have a great week.